Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Character AI without logging in. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google browser or any browser of your desire. Then tap on, then go to the search bar and search for Character. Then tap on the first link. Here they'll ask you to sign in or log in. Tap on cross. Then after here you can see many characters. You can choose any one of it. I'm choosing chess, and here you can see you can chat with it. Like this, you can use your Character AI. Some might require you to sign in, but some might not. So search for it, discover it, look for the one which you can. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.